Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to Chippewa. We are so excited to meet you in person. We cannot wait to see you. I wanted to quickly introduce myself via video. I'm Ms. Hallahan, the principal of Chippewa. It is my pleasure to be the principal. I live in the community. My kids attend Chippewa and Turtle Lake, and I am so excited to be part of this wonderful place and to have you join us. A couple of quick things. We are so sorry that we had to miss you this spring, but we promise to make your transition to middle school as smooth as possible. We have a fantastic staff that are going to help you grow academically, socially, and emotionally. You're going to have a chance to take lots of fun classes that will spark your curiosity and help you explore the world around you. You have some fantastic deans that are going to support you with pretty much anything that you need. So we're going to be ready for you this fall. We are planning for you, and we are going to have a lot of fun things for you. I want you to have a great summer. Stay safe and healthy, and I promise we'll see each other soon. Take care. Bye-bye.